Hello guys, today's video we are talking about Sand Spirit. I know about all powers, abilities, details. So without getting late, let's get start the video. Sand Spirit is a desert monster. That was a fan-made concept. He has two heads and he can originated by sand by the Egyptian mythology. When Sun God Ra was rising the Sekhmet and Sekhmet creating destruction, he was arise them. But after the Sekhmet claimed down, he was hibernate. He has lot of powers and abilities like sand spike creation, generation, sandstorm, sand breath, sand physiology, boring, and earthquake generation and boulder attack. He can create mud and swampy area to trap their enemies. And he has ability to camouflage and generating sandstorms. And he can change their own body shape and structure. And that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.